Look, let's be real, when it comes to looking better, this is the area you want to fix. So today, boys, I'm going to show you exactly how you can increase your facial attractiveness. Start with number 1. Pluck all unwanted hair. Look, unwanted hair detracts away from your face. It makes you look uglier. I'm talking about your unibrow. I'm talking about your nose hairs, your ears hair. These are the areas that most men are avoiding or not thinking of. But remember, in the pursuit of trying to look more attractive, you should remove anything that makes you look less attractive or uglier. Too many guys are just thinking about how to look better versus just taking away the stuff that's making them look worse. Unwanted hair is one of those. Takes you to number 2. Focus on HIIT workouts. Look, if you want to look better, you have to reduce body fat, right? Extra fat on your body will never look attractive. Double chins, all that stuff will never look attractive. You want your face to be as thin and as defined as possible so you can have some of that bone structure. Now, one particular area that'll help you with this is high intensity workouts. What I love about this is that you're getting the best of both worlds. You have that high cardiovascular activity, which gets your blood pumping and usually gets you sweating more, while also still doing some sort of resistance training so you can build some tonality. Now, the goal here is to sweat as much as possible so you remove a lot of that body weight. I've done workouts where they've been tough. Like I'll go and run like 13 miles and hit the sauna, and I'll start the day at like 199 to 200 pounds, and after a single workout, I could be at 194. So after about 2 hours of working out, of just high intensity training and sweating as much as possible, I'll lose about 6 pounds of water weight. That's what you want to do. So combining high interval training with a sauna or a steam room could be great for reducing visual weight and making your face look more attractive. Number 3, you got to get rid of acne. See, you want your skin to look as perfect as possible. No wrinkles, no blemishes, no redness, no acne. You don't want any sort of imperfection. Now, the problem with most guys is that you probably have acne, you know you got to deal with it, you've tried to deal with it and it doesn't work. And the reason for that is that you're using products that you think that worked on me on yourself, or that you saw on somebody else on yourself. When it comes to skincare, it is not cookie cutter. All our skins are different, and women understand this. That's why they don't have these universal systems. Most women know they have to build their own system of specific products depending on their skin. But for us men, see, brands know we're dumb. Brands know we're not gonna do the research. And what ends up happening is that they'll sell you a system that's a cookie cutter system that doesn't actually work for your skin. This is why I love Geology. See, our sponsor Geology does give you a system, but the system is custom to your skin type, which is crucial. When you sign up to Geology, which I'm gonna have a link down below, you get to talk to a skin professional that takes a look at your skin, what your problems are, what your skin type is, and then develops a kit depending on what you're trying to solve. That's the type of product you need to look at. And then after every month, you can always have a conversation with your skin consultant to see if any changes are happening or what changes need to happen to your skincare routine. If you guys want skincare products that actually work, I would suggest you guys go and check out Geology. I'm going to have them linked down below. And right now, if you guys sign up, they have a 70% off discount, which is absolutely insane. And it's a steal. Yo, you could start your first month at 70% off, which is basically a gift at this point. You got nothing to lose. Talk to a skin professional and try to make your skin look as perfect as possible. If you want to look attractive, that's your next step. Click the link down below. Number 4, practice good facial posture. Similar to body posture, there's certain areas in your face that you can position and posture properly. For example, your tongue. This is called mewing. We've discussed this before, where depending on where you place your tongue, you're going to change the shape of your jawline. For the most part, you want your tongue to sit at the roof of your mouth versus at the bottom. When you make it sit at the bottom, you just expose almost like a double looking chin underneath. You want it to sit at the roof to have more structure. Another example of this is your head positioning. You don't want to have forward neck. For the most part, to have proper face structure, you want your neck to align with your shoulders and your back. That will make you look as tall as possible and lift your head up so you're not always walking around looking down. When you have this proper posture, all you're doing is highlighting your great facial structure, which makes you look better. 5, opt for the right colors. If you want to progress more into looking better, one key aspect that you could do is making your skin look as bright and as rich as possible. Just making it look vibrant. And the way to do that is finding colors that work with your skin type. And here's the easiest thing you can do. I want you to go outside, grab a piece of paper, and put your skin against a piece of white paper. You're going to then look at your veins. Depending on the color of your veins, for example, if your veins look bluish or purplish, you're a cool undertone. If your veins look more greenish or yellowish, you are a warm undertone. Depending on that decision that you're about to find out, that'll tell you what colors you need to wear. You would just go online and put, what are the best colors for warm undertone? What are the best colors for blue undertone? And then wear those colors, and your skin's gonna look radiant. Finally, number 6, wear a beard. The funny part is that they actually split tested this. So in business, and actually I think in science and everything in life, you do a lot of split tests, A/B testing. So you test 2 things, you change one variable and see which one performs, right? So it's like you're consistently testing theory. So they tested the theory that beards actually make a difference on men with an e-commerce site. They had a site where they were selling a t-shirt and the guy had no beard. Then they photoshopped a beard on the guy, same t-shirt, same position, same everything, except that this guy now had a beard. And the statistical significance of the guy with the beard was over 98%. There was about a 40% increase in sales. What this is trying to tell you is that beards matter. You need to grow a beard. If you can, you're already good. If you can't, I've talked about it before. There's multiple things you can do. You can use minoxidil. You can use beard growth oils that are natural. You can use a derma roller. There are steps you can take even though you can't grow a beard, to force that beard growth, because it's going to make you look better.